Iga Swiatek addressed Monica Seles stabbing after being asked about protests at the Italian Open. Iga Swiatek has raised concerns over a repeat of the attack on Monica Seles, in which a spectator ran onto the court and stabbed her during a match. The world number one admitted that she sometimes thought about the incident as she discussed the recent protests at the Italian Open. Tournament organizers called the police and firefighters when several demonstrators stormed the courts, while others glued themselves to the stands. Protesters stormed the Italian Open on Monday, as there were two separate demonstrations on Pietrangeli and Court 12. 2 matches were delayed when climate activists took to the courts and threw confetti on them. A third protest was also thwarted in the grandstand arena, while other demonstrators glued themselves to the stands. In a statement, the tournament said, with the public very angry against the demonstrators, the police officers and firefighters also arrived. One of the demonstrators had moved onto the lawn under the big screen of Court Pietrangeli. He was taken away by the police. Swiatek has now weighed in after being asked how she felt about safety on the court following the protests, and the four-time major winner brought up the Seles stabbing. "Well, obviously probably the best way is to increase security," the 22-year-old said. "I'm not really sure how the security works because I've never had any situation where they had to kind of react when I was on court. I didn't see the protest yesterday. I heard that there's something going on. I didn't see it. I don't know if they were actually close to players or not." Addressing the increased disruptions and protests on tour, she added, "Well, there aren't many thoughts. People want attention and they're willing to do anything to get it. That's how our world works right now."